Hey y'all, this is Matt with Wacky Works. Today I'm going to take you through how I cut up my bowl blanks. I've already cut these down off the logs, so the pith has been cut out of them. Here I'm going to go ahead and find center of the blank. And instead of having to do all the math and calculate everything out like I normally do, I'm just going to figure out the closest even number and then divide it by 2, and then there's your center point there. Again, here it's like 11 and a quarter, so I'm going to take it all the way to 12. Half of 12 is 6, and so I'll just take that and I'll mark 6, and there's my center mark. Real quick and easy, and where it crosses, it intersects over, there's my center line, and that's all I have to do there. And now I'm going to take and I'm going to drill out that center point right there, just a small little 1/8 inch drill bit here. I'm only taking it down about 1/4 of an inch, if that, and that's just enough for me to put my screw on. Now I take my center guide out here, and it's got a little bit of a screw there into it, and I'm just going to screw it into it so it holds that slide portion of it to be able to make it adjustable. And then I'll just put that back into it here. You'll see it slides right back in, pops in place. Pop. There you go, right there. Makes that noise and everything. Now I got you on the back of the side, what I see here, and you can see that line right there. What I'm trying to do is make sure that the blank, I'm going to slide it over enough where that blade will always be in the blank. And then I'll just make each turn, verifying it's going to be in there. And you can see right there, there's a little bit of daylight right there, so I'm going to slide it back over just a touch more. That way I'm constantly inside that wood blank. Now that I got it ready, I'm going to go ahead and put it at a diagonal, and I'm going to start my cut into it. I'm going to get it until my jig is all the way up against the set point so that it'll be right at the blade. Then I'll go ahead and start my turn. And then you just let the blade do the cutting, and you just do the turning. And you'll notice it looks like my hand is close to that blade, but it's actually about 4 to 6 inches away from it. And that's what I'm motioning here, is that I'm pushing with my hand, but it's literally every place I'm pushing, no place at no time will be really close to that blade at all. So we'll finish pushing it all the way around, and you'll find that your blade is so close, sometimes you'll be able to break a piece off. That's okay to go ahead and break it off. I'm noticing it right there, that piece right there could pop right off, and instead of it being loose just sitting there, I'm going to go ahead and pop that off there, and then we're just going to finish that cut all the way around. And once it's cut all the way around, you're going to stop your blade. Don't try to back it out while the blade's going. Back it out, pull off the excess, and you got a bowl blank. That's all I got on this one. Y'all have a good one. If y'all like what you see, give me a little thumbs up here, comment down below what you think. See you next time.